Good job.
And what's another thing?
No. And the healthcare thing, I don't know, that's...
Oh, wow, good job.
You finding eggs, Ava?
Just because, to get some of the
What's
burden off
another
of
thing?
the small businesses.
Hey, don't follow Ava. She's going to get all of them. You won't get in.
Ava, out of the... Oh, never mind. Go look.
I found another egg.
How much time does Brianna have left?
5 seconds.
Okay, Brianna.
I got one. That's mine.
It's okay, there's more, Ava. Go find them. Run, go look.
Yeah, there's plenty of eggs.
Ava, don't follow Ivan. Go that way. Ava, go look over here.
Easter egg, Mommy.
Good job. Keep going. Put it in your bucket and go find more. Did Brianna get up?
Yeah, I told her to
Oh, okay. Well, I thought so, but
Keep
just wanna make
walking, you
sure.
guys. Walk all around. Look all around.
Go over by the fence. Go over there. That's okay. Go. We'll keep looking.
I found another one. There's another one. Ava, come over here. Ava, come over here.
She's finding them.
Fun.
Good job, Ivan.
Ava, here's another one. I have that one.
Oh, this one, the candy fell out.
Oh.
Here, somebody, here's one. The candy fell out.
We'll just pick it up and put it in somebody's thing.
I put one more in my basket.
Good job, Ava.
Look at me.
Ava, go over here.
Oh.
Go look over there.
Good job. Keep
Ava,
looking.
what's this one? I put more eggs.
Good job.
Oh, what is it? It looks like a caterpillar. Show me your caterpillar. Awesome.
It looks like an egg.
Oh.
More eggs.
Good.
Look over here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm jumping in your way.
You're okay.
Cute.
Good. Keep looking, honey. Ava,
Another one.
go over there against the fence.
There's another one that broke. Ooh, here's some more.
That's okay. Go ahead.
Candy. Candy drink.
Ava,
I found one more.
good. Keep looking. Ava. Ava, right here.
I found the Easter egg. I found out the Easter egg.
Keep going. There's more.
What's another Easter egg?
Hey, Ava. Show me your bucket. Show me your eggs. Look up at Auntie Karen. Look up at me. Ava. She's like, okay.
Go over there and look.
There's some more eggs.
Ava. Ava. Put it in your bucket and go look for more, honey. Ducky, good job. Ava. Back there against the fence.
Walk around. All right. What's that one? What is it?
Ah.
Robot. Let me see. It's a farmer. It's Farmer Brown.
Mommy, look at
Wow, Ivan.
the eggs I got.
Cool. Go look for more. There's some more. One over there. I see a blue one.
It's not a farmer.
Put it in your bucket.
I think they're all gone.
Ivan. Ivan. Ava.
Keep looking.